Welcome once again to Creative Grace Design Studio, where we give you Xara tools. Today, to be giving you a lot of inspirational teachings on it. We are on the 8th lesson now, and you know that we find it very useful. We want you to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. So, lastly, we talked about the tools, that is the blend, contour, and the mode tool. So today we are going to work on the 3D tool, that is the extrude tool on E. So let's go in and bring in another document. I'll just right click and say new page, then I'll type the word that I want to make it 3D. So let's say I'll say 3D. I'll put 3D there. Then I'll size it to suit what I want. Already we know how to use gradient. So if I want to change the text, I'll highlight to change the text. Okay, bold it a little bold. Okay, make it a little bold. If I want to change the color, I'll just pick any color that I want. If I want to make it gradient, I can pick gradient flow. Okay, so this type of what's gradient. Okay, so I'll change the color over here. So this is what I want. If I want this one, I'll double click to get my color editor from my color source. Then let's go to my extrude. I'll pick my extrude. See the symbol here, that is on the info property of the extrude. When you click on apply extrusion, it will just take effect. So I click on it, just taking effect. So that's basically the 3D default of Xara. Immediately that it turns on, all the blank places will come. So this one is talking about the depth. It has a lot of things in it. So the depth, the angle, the light angle, and whatsoever. And this one talk about when you put it, that's the sizing of it. You can increase the size out of this place. Yeah, that's talking about the width. If you pick the width size, you get it out of this place. So this is the figure. If you know the figure, you can just input the figure, then it will just come. And this is talking about the shape, that's the rounded. So you can click here and change any of them, pick any of them to so let's say round face rounded. So you see that it's different. The preset is different. So talking about the blade type, the bevel type. Sorry, talking about the bevel type. So, and also the bevel type size. The bevel type size. And this one is talking about the light rays. When I click on it, you see the light. So I can, when any arrow that I move now, you see the light source will change. So depending on what you want, then what you work on it. So when I turn it off, the app so you can do the extrude and change it. Okay, so let's check on this one by one after the other. So let's check the angle one. So when I come and change the angle, angle, then angle 2. So you are the designer who are doing it, so you know what to do. You can either hold it and move it to position where you want it, or you can to your extrude parameter, then you go and change the angle to the extrude depth. So you see when I come here, you see the depth. I'm touching on the depth, that is I'm standing here, so I'm touching on the depth. When I stand here, I'm touching on the edge to rotate it, set it onto an angle. So if this angle is good, then I maintain my angle. So what about the perspective? Okay. So any of them will work. So you can also adjust your light as you can and turn it on. So can you do it out of this place? And when I click here, I can also change the color of my light, and this is the lights 1 by 2. So you can change the color of the lightings. Yeah, if you want to change the color, you can change the color of the lights. Yeah. And let's go and check the bevel types. Okay, so the curve, how it looks like. So whatever you are doing, depending on what you are doing, then what you use. Okay, so I've tweaked the color and increase it because extremely on the extrude. So after that I can add what my shadow. Let's say what shadow. move it to where I want, increase my level, do this one. Okay. I want to change the color to do it an outline. Okay. So white outline. So then we got it when we are doing 3D. There's nothing wrong because of my memory. That's why this thing is not showing clearly here. So it's not showing clearly as it is, but it's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. See that when I zoom out, it's coming clear. There's nothing wrong with it. So this is the extrude. One thing about the extrude is if you want to edit maybe the text, you want to do some editing on it, it will be very hard for you to edit on it directly. So the only thing is what you click it out, then you use a text tool. If you want to add any other changes, okay, change, then click on extrude, then to apply. Yeah, that's basically on the extrude. Yeah. Okay, let's try another one. So we pick the two. You can say new. New. Then let's change the text. You can like to change your text. And let's say we pick this one. Then we want to stretch it a little. Okay, like that. Change the colors. Okay, change the colors to suit whatever we want us to do. Okay, change the colors. So use it. Okay, do you want it outline? Okay, if you want the outline, okay, no outline. Let's see. So we pick the extrude, or I can just stand on it and drag. I can just stand it on here. I can come and stand on it and what drag. The moment I come and stand on it and drag, it will give me what's on the extrude. As if you want the 3D, that way you get your extrude or turn it on. You can change it to any form that you want. Okay, any form that you want to pick. Okay. So you play around it so that you get the standard that you want. Mainly, you can't describe that this is really good for you. So you are the one doing the work, so you have to get the type that you want. Get this. Okay. You have to get the type that you want. Okay. Turn that on the light, then I'll just name it. Okay. It's okay for you. Okay. If you want to increase the extrude, you increase the extrude. Okay. Touching my extrude. Okay. Let's check if I want to increase my perspective. Let's say increase my perspective. I want to change my perspective. Okay. Well, then let's check our light use. Okay. The light colors good for you. If it's not good for you, you can change the colors. Okay. Maybe you want to pick in from the background of the light source, but you can pick any color from this place. So let's check. Okay. And then I don't know. You're good to go. Okay. Whatever you want to do. Okay. You can copy it. And you come to edit my copy. Right click and copy. Right click to what? Paste. Okay. Come to arrange, then you come to edit, then you come to paste and place. So it's two on it. Yeah. It's a place what exactly on it. So I can add my transparency. So let's play with my transparency mode types. Then okay, let me give it a thing I want to see. So it's two points. There's the one that change the transparency. So you are a designer, you have to play around with whatever you want. You can see. Okay. Yeah. So that I can highlight all, select all by highlighting, dragging around them. Then I'll add my shadow. Okay, with this one, you can add my shadow to this my shadow. You can add my first shadow. Make it as if this what is there. Then increase it. So it's what it's a group. Okay, so new. So this something about what the extrude or the 3D extrude or the 3D basically this extrude or the 3D extrude or the 3D. Alright, thank you very much for watching Xara Design Tools from creativeGrace Design, and we'll be giving you a lot of lessons. Just stay tuned and just be going through the videos one by one. Don't rush using it for a design.